TypeScript in 5 minutes. JavaScript is powerful, but without types, bugs can hide in plain sight. TypeScript fixes that. It adds static typing to JavaScript, catching errors before your code even runs. In this video, you'll learn 5 essential TypeScript concepts every developer should know. What is TypeScript? So, what exactly is TypeScript? TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript. That means every valid JavaScript file is also valid TypeScript. It compiles down to JavaScript, so it runs anywhere JavaScript runs, in browsers, in Node.js, everywhere. To get started, install it using minstall-g TypeScript. Then create a file with a .ts extension and compile it using tsc followed by your file name. That's it. Setup done. Now let's get into the 5 key concepts. Type annotations. Type annotations tell TypeScript what kind of value a variable holds. The basic types include string, number, boolean, null, undefined, and any. For example, a username is a string, an age is a number, an active status is a boolean. Now, if you accidentally assign the wrong type, like setting username to a number, TypeScript immediately throws an error. That's the whole point. Errors are caught during development, not in production. Arrays can also be typed. For example, a list of scores can be defined as an array of numbers. One important rule: avoid using any. It disables type checking and defeats the purpose of TypeScript. Interfaces define the structure of an object. Think of them as a blueprint. For example, a user might have a name, an age, and an admin status. Any object using this interface must match that structure exactly. If a property is missing, TypeScript will alert you instantly. You can also make properties optional. Just add a question mark. Now that property becomes flexible, it may or may not exist. Type aliases and enums. Type aliases let you create custom names for types. For example, an ID can be either a string or a number. This is called a union type. So whether it's a number like 101 or a string like a BC, 1, 2, 3 both are valid. Enum, on the other hand, group-related constants. Instead of using random values, you use meaningful names like up, down, left, or right. This makes your code more readable, and readable code is easier to maintain. Generics allow you to write reusable functions without losing type safety. Think of them as placeholders for types. A function can accept any type and return that same type safely. For example, pass in a string, you get a string back. Pass in a number, you get a number back. Same function. Different types. Fully safe. Generics are extremely useful in APIs, data structures, and reusable components. Type inference. Type inference means TypeScript can automatically figure out types. For example, if you assign a value like 100, TypeScript knows it's a number without you explicitly saying it. And if you later try to assign a string, it immediately flags it as an error. A simple rule: use inference for local variables preset completies, soji, emphasizing suscalities, and explicit types for function inputs and outputs. TypeScript works with you, not against you. So those are the 5 essential TypeScript concepts. Type annotations, interfaces, type aliases, and enums, generics, and type inference. End of. TypeScript makes your JavaScript more predictable, scalable, and professional. To learn more, check the description below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.